Hey everybody. So I was watching the Open AI Dev Day keynote, and they mentioned that Canva had a Chat GPT integration, and I've seen some AI type things in there for how it processes images, but I was not aware of some of the cool things that they showed in there, and so I started poking around in Canva and I found them. But if you haven't used Canva before, it's a really powerful tool for creating presentations, for creating uh, images, or just all sorts of like marketing or like YouTube stuff. I use it mostly for YouTube, and I use it for creating thumbnails, but I also use it for creating shorts sometimes, and then I'll create presentations in here as well. It kind of depends on what it is. I may go over to PowerPoint if it needs to be a bit more complicated, but Canva's got all sorts of other things as well, like whiteboards, and you could schedule posts and all sorts of cool things. So definitely recommend checking the tool out. But what I wanted to show you here today was just the AI stuff, which I think is really cool. So they've got these um, these really cool. They call them Magic. It's the like Magic Studio. And if I go to the home, back to home, you'll see Magic Studio, and then we've got all of these different things that you can try out. So Magic Design for presentation. That's what I clicked on just to see if it would do like a Dynamo type presentation. So you can see here I just searched visual programming presentations using Dynamo Revit. And what it does is here's all the like templates, the base ones you can use, and then it tries to create like AI generated presentations. So it'll give you these presentations, and then so if we add that new page, we can see it. So Dynamo, Revit, the power of visual programming. See what the other page is. What is Dynamo Revit? Dynamo Revit is open source. I mean, this is pretty cool. Benefits of using it. Dynamo Revit allows you to automate repetitive tasks, streamline workflows, improve. I mean, these are almost the exact types of slides I seen years ago when first learning about Dynamo, and these are similar to ones I've presented on at my firm. So some of these images are a little weird, but frequently asked questions. What is Dynamo Revit? I would hope by this point in the presentation they would know what that is. How does it work? What are some benefits? So I think this is really cool because what it does is obviously it's not super great, and we probably got not a awesome result because Dynamo is somewhat of a niche thing. But if you look at this and see how it might evolve, it's going to get really good. And if anything, right, what we see here can easily be a starting spot. Like I could take this presentation and just switch out some of the images. Maybe if there's like a color palette at your firm, just change the colors real quick, and then boom, you have a presentation. Or if you're doing something for a conference, quickly generate it. If anything, it just gets you kind of going and started. Gives you a format. So I think that's really cool. I'm gonna go back to home and I'm gonna just do the same thing on the design and just see. So these are, let's see, let's take one of my images that I've uploaded here before. I mean, these are kind of cool, and there's probably more to this I haven't found yet. But I mean, just like the presentations, what you could do is use this as a starting point, change out some of the words. So I can customize this template, go in here and add whatever I want. But anyways, I wanted to show this. I thought this was cool, and this isn't like specific to Canva. This is probably going to be something that is integrated in a lot of tools, especially Microsoft tools. We'll probably see more of these types of integrations across pretty much every tool we use. So I would definitely keep a lookout on that stuff, test new things, look at what's new in the tools that you use, because there can be some really beneficial things that can save you a ton of time. So anyways, just wanted to share that. Thanks a lot for watching, and I will see you in the next one.